I always give the example of going to a gym by yourself and going to a gym with a coach. You go to a gym by yourself, you do multiple bicep exercises, tricep exercises, chest, upper body, lower body, fala. You will not see the results compared to you do 1 month with a coach who is proper coach, who knows his game. He will develop your body. He'll tell you what areas you need to work on, how much you need to work on which area, what diet you need to have with it. He will guide you through it like you would have never been able to do yourself. Controlling your nafs does not happen on your own. You need to hand over yourself to a sheikh. Now, if our nafs makes us think, but ye to hamare deen ka hissa hi nahi hai, right? Where does this concept of sheikh come in our deen? What was it that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that He will teach you the ayah, He will recite to you the ayat, wa yuzakkikum. He will do your tazkiyah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the sheikh awwal. He was the first sheikh. Sahaba were number 2, Tabi'i were number 3, Taba Tabi'i were number 4, and they all have been in that sequence a mentor to the next generation. And everyone has connected themselves, handed over themselves to their guides, to their mentors, to help them become proper abd of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what kind of handover is this? So hold on to your chairs. This is the handover as one would hand over, as a dead body hands over itself to the one who's doing its kafan. He can mold it wherever it wants, shift it wherever it's wants. There is no I. Your I, ये जो मैं है, ये जितनी ज़्यादा शेख के हाथ में जाके मिटती है, उतनी किसी के हाथ में नहीं मिट सकती, because you are completely subdued yourself and given yourself to someone. Of course, for that you need to have a proper guide. You have to have a sheikh who you can trust and you can develop your relationship and association with that. But this is a must-have. This is handover as though you're blind and you're handed over your hand to somebody who will make you cross the road. Now you have put your complete trust in that person's hand.